What's up everyone, and welcome to Radio 2. So today I'm going to be reacting to the V channel. We're back with it, and today Pháo also has a song. She's going to be with Pháo, Orange, and Lamoon, and they're going to be reacting to Morse Code. This channel has been amazing, introducing me to many new performers, and the songs here and the choreographies are so creative, and just this has become something that I look forward to. So this channel is really one of my favorite right now, and I'm just looking forward to all the songs to react to, and yeah, here I am. I don't want to waste any more of your time. Let's get into it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm ready. I know you're ready. This is Chi, Pháo, Orange, and Lamoon, Morse Code. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. You did? Yeah, there we go.
Trái tim phù nề ta luôn kề cho nhau về điều khiến ta bắt đầu mê mê nhanh nhanh các tay nhanh nhanh các chân ta băng băng ngọt đèo du lên thông vách núi giang người nhỏ luôn cúi không lùi em có chị chỉ có em đây bỗng vui nếu cả hai ta trở thành hoa tô đẹp trên lối quen với dạng người kể khi tôi đến nếu cả hai ta hóa thành chi để chỉ đường và dẫn lối là thành nhiệm vụ của mắt môi. We are the Morse code. Nhớ ra nhau ở mọi chiều không gian. We are the Morse code. Thêm chị em chẳng ai giờ là nước thang. Có bằng nhịp tim đâu cần ai phiền dịch. Có chị và có em giờ nó là vô hình. We are the Morse code. Ngẩng đầu lên ta sẽ có cả thiên hà. Ôi mấy chị em ơi, nhân nhân cái tay lên nào. Bác lên ngóng trao rồi. Ôi tự dưng theo tí bao. Ôi mấy chị em ơi, nhanh nhanh cái chân lên nào. Để tâm hồn ta rong chơi. Dù là sống sâu hay khổ đau.
Are you ready to feel this orange fever? Đất không còn bao xa, ai sợ thì về nhà bước tóc xuyên qua phòng bà. Đặt chân lên sỏi đã là gì đó, một khi nói là bọn chị làm đó. Thôi không ai sân cùng máu mủ nhưng tâm linh tương thông đang đẩy nhau xuyên qua từng chiếc hào. We ride or die, khi em khó đã có chị lo rồi. We ride or die, nghe em vang để tim đập liên hồi. We ride or die, mình mới ra khơi buồn an toàn khiến đám đông họ down for the last time.
Ôi mấy chị em ơi, ôi mấy chị em ơi.
this song actually was really good. It felt really even expressive at some point. Like it really started very peaceful. It's like with the nature. It's like they're in Africa or something like. I think of the Lion King when they saw the sun and everything. She was like in an adventurous outfit too. Like she looked like Indiana Jones or something like that. It was cool. All of them did in the song. Just kind of progressed. It got more powerful, more powerful. We had some rap. The song, like, I feel like the song did a 360. It totally changed. And the lyrics were also very interesting. Maybe I missed the message. Maybe there is a message. I missed it, but there was like, hey mother, hey sister, put your hands in here. Or maybe it's more of the representing the woman, kind of like the showing that the women are strong. Maybe stuff like that. That could be it. That could be it too. Which is true. I mean, you saw what they did. They just did for women. They did something incredible. I mean, they're singing, the choreography, the dancing, everything is just picture perfect. Everything is really perfect. Like, this is the only channel that I see something like this, choreographies that go so well, and that are put so much effort, so much thought they're put into this, you know, because the lyrics are connected to the choreography too. Everything is connected to each other. Everything feels like a whole story that's being told with that song. And yeah, like how can you not love that? I personally love that. I adore that, and that was amazing. That's why I love PMS. That's why I love Chi. She is just incredible. I know she arranges a lot of those songs. I know that she is usually the mastermind behind all this. Just shows her creativity. She is amazing. Yeah, thank you all for watching once again. Thank you all for requesting this so early. Like, that came out a couple of hours ago and I already had a request for it. So, thank you so much for that. I really appreciate you all. Really love you all. Thank you so much for the support. I will leave the link to this song in the description. Go show some love to all these ladies. They absolutely deserve it. I'll leave a link to my reactions also in the description of Chi, of PMS. I have a lot of reactions in there, so you might want to check them out. Also, I guess if you want to support me a little bit, now it's time for myself promoting. In the channel, in the description, you will see a link to my Patreon page and my Instagram page. And yeah, I'll appreciate if you subscribe, click the bell so you don't miss anything. And yeah, this is gonna be it from me. Bye bye. I'll see you in the next one.